just did the video of the cars that came in this bag. This video is gonna be looking in the army stuff and whatnot. I know something the other day. Look, there's me. Something the other day that my videos I was uploading was on private. Private's where nobody can view them, which is kind of stupid. Why would you want to put videos up on YouTube if you don't want people to view them? So I changed all my videos to public now. So anyway, I'm gonna check out this army stuff. There's some cheap plastic stuff in here, but I mean they're kind of cool, especially if you want to do a little army diorama. So I got that. This one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. Let's see if I can find the semi from it. Oh, I can't find it right now, but then there's this Hummer, and they roll pretty decently. So got this, pretty cool. This is just a cheap army one, as well as this one. Cheap. No, this. This and these are all made by pt2. Now these two are the same, but I don't know if they came in a 4-pack or something. See right there, it says made in China, pt2. So that's pretty cool. And this is just like a cheap army tank, as well as this one. I mean, it moves and everything else turns. And this is pretty cool. It is plastic, but it's like a ramp you could put your army tanks or something on. And it also folds out. So I thought that was pretty cool. This one's pretty badass. Couple nicks. It's a Matchbox missile launcher. It says copyright 1998. So we got this one. This one's made by pt2. I don't like how pt2 most of the time doesn't put what year it came out. This one's pretty cool right here. This one is made by, says 1994 Road Champs. Pretty cool. We got this one here. I couldn't find this one up on eBay, but it says 1989 Matchbox. Oh, here's the semi to this. So there's that. We got this little helicopter. It says U.S. Army. It just says made in China. I guess it's like a cheaper brand, but I mean it's actually good weight to it. This is just another cheaper one too. It's a tank with like a scoop on the front, but it's missing this. So this is my favorite out of the airplanes. Royal Navy, it's in mint condition. This one's like $7 loose on eBay, 5 to 7. It's a Matchbox. Lesney Products, 1975. It's a SB-15 Phantom F4E. I really like that one. This one is kind of messed up. I'm pretty sure it's Matchbox, but it don't say. This one is also made by Matchbox. I think it says 1973. Pretty cool. It's pretty good condition. That's sharp. Now this one's actually a Hot Wheels. It's missing the propellers there though. It just says 1989 Thailand. Thailand, yeah. Got these little tanks. You guys probably, which I already had. I don't know where my red one is. I had a red one that I bought from Salvation Army before. Here it is. This one I already had. This red one. I always liked red and blue camouflage for some reason. I got this from Salvation Army, I don't know, a few months ago for like 15 cents. So now I got the green ones to go with it. This is just another cheap helicopter. Really cheap, actually. And then another little cheap tank. Like I said, these cheap ones are good for dioramas and stuff. Look at this little one. Another little cheap one. It's actually metal though. And then another cheap one. Actually, no, this ain't. This is Matchbox. Yeah, it's a Matchbox. It's copyrighted 2000. And then the last things we have in the bag is just a little few Army guys that were in here. Anyway, that's it. All that stuff, the cars and the Army stuff, $10. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace.